simplicity will encourage contract developers. It will make the path of least resistance for contract developers one in which you can't reorder and manipulate transactions. By its nature, kind of forces you to think carefully about what's going to happen and makes it quite difficult to write the kind of transactions that after they're off your system, once they're out in the peer-to-peer network, have different behavior depending on what happens, what the miners choose to do and what else happens in the peer-to-peer network and all these kind of things. If you believe we shouldn't extend Bitcoin in any way whatsoever, I mean, that's obviously you're not going to like simplicity. But I would submit that you should like simplicity, or you should hate simplicity less than other proposals that have similar functionality, but in this ad hoc and less predictable way. But if you're somebody who would like to add more functionality to Bitcoin, but is very nervous about doing so and wants to go very slowly and wants to be extremely cautious and wants to be very limited in what we do in order to avoid stumbling into these kind of MEV traps and horrible centralization situations that we see on other chains, then I think simplicity, despite letting you do any kind of covenant and any kind of computation, simplicity is actually the kind of direction that you want to go in because it gives you these tools for formal analysis and for helping people reason about things.